Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, this is going to be one of my most boring videos ever, but I'm only making it in response, in defense of the Department of Transportation. Now, I don't normally concern myself with such matter, but there was a comment on a video where they say the icy roads leads to multiple crashes in St. Louis. And one of the comments, some dude says, "Oh, so what? No looking at the forecast and no treating the roads, blah, 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 blah." To which I had to respond, the roads were treated, bro. I drove on them. I saw the whole thing. And to which he kind of replies, well, there's always somebody who wants to argue, and you can read that up here on the screen. I'll show that. So what we're actually going to go see then, I'll do two drive-bys. We'll do the regular speed, which is what we're doing now. So as you can see, the car is driving at normal speed. The footage is being played normal speed. You can see that the roads are treated. If you look carefully enough in the headlights of my car and the other car, you can see where the roads have that treatment on there, where they're kind of like striped looking, where they put that beet juice or whatever that stuff is that they have in that liquid salt that's in that big tank. So you can see that the lanes are in fact treated as we're driving down. Now, it might be kind of hard to actually see when we're at this speed, but I'm also doing this because I think there was a, there's the reports. If you watch the video, they say it was on southbound 55 in the area of Arsenal. It's where all this multiple car crashes were happening, right in that area. And I just happened to drive by that area that night because I was leaving the city to escape all the gunfire that happens and lands on your car and your house and everything. Can't move the house, so we have to repair the roof every year after the first of the year and on the 4th of July. So those 2 days I have to go up and do roof repair from all the bullets landing on it. But I also try to get the cars out if I can. So as you can see, this car did live. It left, so it didn't hit any bullets. And the extra added benefit of me leaving the city is I saw the roads. They were treated. They weren't just treated. They were treated days in advance on the city streets. But this is the first time that I was able to drive by. And as you can see, the highway is also treated. So now that that's taken care of, you can see in the area now exactly where all those car pileups happened. Now we're going to play all the bean footage back at a higher rate of speed, and that's actually a little bit easier to see that the roads are treated when this footage is sped up. Okay, so as you can see, now we're moving at a high rate of speed. The exact same footage is sped up. You can actually see it's a little more easier that those roads are treated. That's not a perfectly slick black road that's absorbing the beams of my headlights. Mine and everyone else's and the street lights, they're all reflecting and showing this weird striped pattern of chemicals that are on the road treating it. So I don't know what this guy's on about. I'm guessing he's just commenting because he assumes that when people crash their cars, obviously it's somebody else's fault and it's not their own fault from driving fast. So just now I can tell he's not a subscriber. He doesn't watch all my dash cam videos because those show those guys can't drive when the roads are clear and the weather conditions are ideal. They still run red lights, they still speed, they still don't stop at stop signs. They don't use signals, they drive too fast, they cut across lanes, they don't signal, they do everything you can think of that is dangerous. So it's really not surprising that they also suck at driving when the conditions are inclement, because they don't know how to drive. So there we go, there we have it. So that's my response to the boy. And this video is not really for you, my normal viewers, it's just for this guy. So I will post this video link on that comment thread so he can watch it. Maybe he will, maybe he won't. And you guys can watch it, but it is going to be a boring, random video that just comes midweek. I'm not going to dedicate a Monday or a Friday spot to this. This one just comes up out of the blue. We will return to our regularly scheduled videos on Friday. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.